Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex Ezone 100. The Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is designed for adult players of all skill levels, offering a versatile option for both recreational and competitive play. With a standard 27-inch length and a 100 square inch head size, it provides a good balance of power and control, suitable for various playing styles. The racket's lightweight design, weighing just 285 grams, makes it easier to handle, maneuver, and swing, allowing for quicker reaction times and reduced fatigue during extended matches. Constructed entirely from graphite, including both the frame and the shaft, the Ezone 100L ensures durability while maintaining a responsive and flexible feel. Graphite construction also contributes to the racket's overall lightness without compromising strength, providing players with enhanced stability and consistent performance on the court. The grip size of 4 1/8 inches offers a comfortable hold for most adult players, promoting better handling and minimizing the risk of strain or injury during intense gameplay. Yonex's Ezone series is known for blending innovative technology with player-friendly features, and the 100L model is no exception. It is engineered to deliver excellent spin potential, precision, and power, making it suitable for both baseline rallies and net play. Its balance and lightweight nature make it particularly appealing to intermediate players looking to improve technique and seasoned players seeking comfort and speed. Overall, the Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 is a high-quality tennis racket that combines performance, comfort, and reliability, offering a versatile option for a wide range of adult players. Number 2. Wilson Blade 98 V9. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance tennis racket designed specifically for advanced adult players seeking precision, control, and power on the court. Built with braided graphite and basalt materials in both the frame and shaft, this racket offers a combination of strength, durability, and responsiveness. The integration of basalt fibers enhances vibration dampening, providing a comfortable feel while maintaining sharp control and stability during aggressive strokes. With a 98 square inch head and a 16x19 string pattern, the Blade 98 V9 balances spin potential with precision. Its 305-gram unstrung weight ensures solid plow-through and stability while allowing experienced players to generate their own power without feeling fatigued. The racket's grip size options range from 1 to 4, with the model highlighted featuring a 4 3/8 inch grip, delivering a secure, comfortable hold that helps prevent slippage and reduces strain on the wrist during intense matches. The Blade series is widely regarded for its versatility, excelling in baseline rallies, net approaches, and aggressive attacking play. Its design promotes excellent shot feedback, allowing players to fine-tune placement and generate spin with confidence. The V9 iteration of the Blade 98 introduces subtle refinements to enhance feel, stability, and control, catering to competitive athletes who demand precision in every swing. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung racket is a top-tier choice for advanced players seeking a racket that combines responsiveness, power, and comfort. Its blend of braided graphite and basalt construction, balanced weight, and ergonomic grip design makes it a reliable tool for achieving high-level performance on the court. Number 3. Head Speed MP. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is a versatile option designed for adult players of all skill levels, offering a well-rounded combination of power, control, and maneuverability. With a standard 4.5-inch grip size, it provides a comfortable and secure hold suitable for a wide range of hand sizes, allowing players to maintain precise control and reduce strain during extended play. The racket measures size 1/2 and weighs 11.1 ounces, striking a balance between stability and ease of handling, making it suitable for both intermediate and advanced recreational players. Constructed with Graphite 360 Plus technology and high-quality graphite, the Speed MP offers enhanced frame stiffness and improved energy transfer for more powerful, consistent shots. The Graphite 360 Plus composition also increases stability and precision while minimizing unwanted vibrations, providing a smooth and responsive feel with every swing. The combination of these materials ensures durability without sacrificing agility, allowing players to react quickly to fast-paced rallies and maintain control during aggressive strokes. The racket's design caters to a variety of playing styles, excelling in baseline rallies, net approaches, and spin-heavy shots. Its modern construction and well-balanced frame give players the confidence to execute precise shot placement, generate sufficient spin, and maintain control during long matches. Head Speed series is known for blending innovative technology with user-friendly performance, and the 2022 Speed MP continues this tradition by offering an accessible yet high-performing racket suitable for a wide range of adult players. Overall, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket combines comfort, durability, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for players seeking reliable performance and consistent control on the court. Number 4. Babolat Pure Aero. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa second-generation tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for advanced adult players who prioritize spin, power, and precision on the court. Inspired by Rafael Nadal's iconic playing style, this racket emphasizes aggressive baseline play while providing excellent control for advanced techniques. With a 4 3/8 inch grip, it ensures a secure and comfortable hold, allowing players to maintain optimal control during intense rallies and powerful strokes. Weighing 289 grams, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is lightweight enough to provide quick maneuverability yet stable enough to generate impressive power and shot accuracy. Its graphite construction in both the frame and shaft contributes to durability, responsiveness, and overall performance. Graphite material allows the racket to flex slightly on impact, enhancing energy transfer for more powerful shots while maintaining a solid, controlled feel. The racket's aerodynamic frame design promotes faster swing speeds and increased spin potential, making it particularly effective for topspin-heavy strokes and aggressive baseline play. The string pattern and frame balance are optimized to provide a blend of precision, spin, and stability, catering to players who want to dominate rallies while maintaining shot accuracy. Babolat's Pure Aero series is renowned for its combination of cutting-edge technology and player-centric design, and the Rafa 2nd Gen continues this tradition. It offers advanced players the ability to enhance their game with better spin, improved handling, and exceptional control. Overall, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Generation tennis racket is a reliable, high-quality racket that meets the demands of competitive adult players, blending power, comfort, and performance for an exceptional on-court experience. Number 5. Babolat Pure Drive. The Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th generation, is a high-quality, mid-plus racket designed for adult players seeking a blend of power, comfort, and maneuverability. As part of Babolat's renowned Pure Drive series, this 110 square inch model offers an expanded sweet spot, making it easier to generate power and maintain consistency even on off-center hits. It is strung with 16G Babolat Sin gut strings at a mid-range tension, providing a balanced combination of control, responsiveness, and feel right out of the box. Constructed with high-modulus graphite, the Pure Drive 110 ensures durability, lightweight performance, and excellent energy transfer on impact. Its slightly larger head size, combined with the advanced frame technology, allows players to generate extra power without sacrificing precision. The racket is well suited for intermediate and advanced players who want to hit aggressive shots with confidence while maintaining control over placement. The Pure Drive 110's design emphasizes versatility, making it effective for a range of playing styles. Baseline players benefit from its spin-friendly string pattern and aerodynamic frame, while all court players enjoy enhanced maneuverability for net approaches and volleys. The strung setup with Babolat Sin Gut adds tension stability and comfort, reducing arm fatigue during longer matches and providing a forgiving feel on impact. Overall, the Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th Gen, offers an excellent combination of power, control, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for adults looking to elevate their game. Its balance of lightweight design, generous sweet spot, and professional-grade performance ensures reliability for competitive play while still being accessible to ambitious recreational players.